Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with 10x for investor property bidding strategy detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching 10x to understand its platform and offerings. Visit the official 10x website to familiarize yourself with their services. Create an account by clicking on the registration link. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Verify your email address through the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Log into your new 10x account using your credentials. Take the time to explore available properties listed for auction. Utilize the search filters to narrow your options based on location, price, and property type. Select a property that interests you to view its detailed listing. Review the property's information, including photographs, financials, and auction details. Download any relevant documents, such as property reports and disclosures. Before bidding, set a budget to determine your maximum bid limit. Develop a bidding strategy by assessing market trends and property values. Consider attending the live auction for real-time participation. If attending virtually, ensure your internet connection is stable ahead of the auction. Familiarize yourself with the bidding interface on the 10x platform. Monitor the auction closely as it begins, being prepared to place your bid. Place your bid strategically, rather than immediately offering your maximum bid. Keep track of competing bids to adjust your strategy as needed. If you win the auction, follow 10x's instructions for completing the purchase process. Be prepared to finalize financing and due diligence within the designated timeframe. Review all closing documents and coordinate with your real estate attorney if necessary. Celebrate your successful investment in property through 10x. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.